Shout out to the brother Tommy Sotomayor. I'm going to tag him down below, but he was right. Black men, I'm going to let you know you have no friends. Even amongst your own women, black women are the right hand of white supremacy. Look what all the liberal Democrats are saying about you. Look at all the hood rat black bitches agreeing with it. And also look at what they raise you to become just so they can justify in telling everybody else how bad you are. So create a problem, address this problem later on as a problem so that someone else can go and fix it. Gee Willikers, that sounds like the FBI, don't you think? They also enjoy resting off of the laurels of your hard work. You build it, they claim it. Ain't that a bitch? There's no black and brown unity, by the way. These people are pretending like they are one in solidarity with you just so they could get benefits and cast you by the wayside. They hate you, so stop claiming these Spanish retards. They call themselves whites or blacks whenever it conveniences them most, but, I can't knock their hustle, but at least be honorable. Unfortunately, they have none. Follow and subscribe for more common sense content.